Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey there! For today's video, I will be showing you how to block someone on Monopoly Go. Let's go! Now we have to open our Monopoly Go application. Then you just have to click on Friends at the lower right corner next to the album. Here you will see Add Friends, Timeline, and Leaderboard. So in the leaderboard, you have a lot of friends. You will click on their name. Unfortunately, because I don't have a friend, I cannot do that yet. But if you have friends in Monopoly Go, you will see them right here. All you have to do is click on their name or click on their profile. And then from there, you will be able to see the option that will allow you to delete them or block them. And that is how you can block them and delete them from your friends list. So basically, that wraps it up. That is how we block someone on Monopoly Go.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.